Hello everybody, welcome to this video on how to install Visual Studio. So I've already downloaded the Visual Studio. I'm going to walk you through the process. So you go to Visual Studio, download Visual Studio, and from here you can use a community version, powerful ID, free for student, open source, contributor. So you're going to clear download, and you see the message just pop up like thank you for downloading Visual Studio. So you can fill this one is optional, and very soon the download will start. And our cancel, you can fill all this one, you can put your email. It's very optional if you like to do it. So I'm not gonna I'm downloading the second time, so no problem. I'm gonna put my email. So you can choose, say, tell us what app you want to build, and we will email you tips and resources to get you started. For me, maybe I can take orders. You select your country, or maybe I can take the Android mobile app or desktop. I'll just choose, you can choose one, then you submit. You see name, I can just choose any country where I am. Submit, and everything is fine. So thanks you for submitting. So let's go now to the proper work. Just click here. Yes. So Visual Studio installer, before you get started with, we need to set up a few things so that you can configure your installation. Okay. It's also a very big file, so almost 1.6. Just a moment. Download finished. So now I'm installing. So almost done. Getting everything ready. So this is Visual Studio installer. So this is it. We have successfully installed our Visual Studio installer. We have several things there. If you want to use need help choosing what to install, so we can browse we have here download all the thing, download all, then install. So we can we're gonna use this one. Remember, don't just remember to keep it very simple, because if you make it in such a way that you will not have space, it's going to give you a problem. So I'm going to take this one, and then I'm going to click install. You can still come back later. I'm going to use C#, that's why I installed those two. I'm going to take a while. We're almost done. Debugger. Thank you for your patience with the installation. Yeah, so when you finish installing this thing, Visual Studio, you always ask you success, one more step to go. Please restart your computer before you start Visual Studio Community. So unfortunately, I'm not going to restart the computer right now, but I will restart it later so that we will continue the installation, and then I'll walk you through all the steps. So I'll say not now, so you must restart. So I'll restart later. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Welcome back, and thank you for watching. So let's continue where we ended with our Visual Studio. So let's open Visual Studio. See how we can continue after you must have installed, then you restart, because when you install Visual Studio you have to restart. So this is connect to all your developer service. Right, so let us just follow it. Let's we're getting things ready. Sign into your account. So just gonna, I'm gonna take outlook.com. Next. issue. Oh. Okay, let's enter the password. We're getting you ready, so you must create an account, and if you have not yet created an account, I can direct you to there's a video so you can choose blue or blue extra, and there is also dark. So if you go to dark, you can choose here dark, but I'll just put it as default general, and then I'll just let everything start Visual Studio. So this is it. This is a Visual Studio. After installing, you can go here, all the tools, initializing. They are not able, you can go here. Is everything. Solution Explorer, we have here one new message. There's an update to live share is available, so I'm gonna click here on this. So we have here, you can open a new file project. So you can open a new project like what we just installed. You can go CMS, you can go work and wizard Windows, you can go Python application, Python, you can run Python application. So when you are first time to install Visual Studio, this is how it's gonna look like. So if you are clear, let me just say here is for C++, console.app. And if I take Python application and then I click next, you see the prompt all my name and so on and so forth. So that's how you install Visual Studio's code. So thank you for watching, and stay blessed, stay safe, and bye for now.